Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix airdrop not working issue on iPhone. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Solution number 1, reset all settings. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on general. Scroll up. Tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset setting. Tap on reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset all settings. This will reset all settings and your Apple Pay cards, keys and passes will be removed. No data media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is restart your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Tap on setting app. Tap on Bluetooth toggle off and 10 to 20 seconds back toggle on, and go back and tap on Wi-Fi. Tap on Wi-Fi toggle off and 10 to 20 seconds back toggle on, and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is update iOS version. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on general. Tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix airdrop not working issue on iPhone successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.